Okay guys, we are in Sipagimbar City right now. And after looking around for a few minutes, I feel so hungry. Look at that! Warung bakso Monggo Mampir Mas Bowo. This is the perfect time for lunch. Come in. This is for menu list. Can you see that? Ayam geprek 20,000, bakso urat and all. The price is so cheap and will be full. Brother, I want Ifumi 1. And you, what do you want?
I am geprek, of course.
Okay, I am Gepek 1, Ifumi 1.
I am Geprek 1, Ifumi 1.
Okay, KPL, don't belong.
Everybody, we get ayam geprek here. In this menu, in this portion, we get tempe, terong, fried chicken, timun, and kubis. And don't forget, this is the magic design. Sambal terasi with andalima. Yeah, let's try. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You start with the tempeh and don't forget to use this. It smells good. Crispy. You see?
Wow, that's amazing.
And the taste is good.
Maybe you can try the fried chicken.
Oh wait, we save the best in the end.
For the last part.
Yes, of course. Try terong. The chilies spicy, but it's good to my tongue. Wanna try?
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, the best part. You can see this skin of the chicken, crispy. Wow. Use this. Wow. According to my taste, it's good.